quite strongly here. Okay, I have your call. We're looking for India and Asia on the long path. And you're W7CWD, that's what I have. I heard you call very correctly. Okay, you're in Prescott, Arizona. And my antenna got the end on the Prescott. We're working the long path. Right over the tip of South America. Right down on the Antarctic. Good luck to you, W7CWD. W6 Charlie Peters holding CQDX India, CQDX Asia, long path. California, W6 Charlie and Papa. W6 Canada, Portugal, CQDX Asia, CQDX India, long path. W6 Charlie Peter listening.
Victor Uniform number 3, Whiskey India, over.
Very good, William, very good. Victor Uniform 3, Whiskey India, very good. Well, I have it pointed on the true long path. This evening it appears that the path just appeared to get stronger. UN 7 came through very well. We'll keep you about a 5 and 5 by 5. I'll look more on the meter. But you're coming in, I have the beam pointed on the true long path here. And the land's supposed to be very good. The solar flux is way up, and the A is way down. So it'll be interesting to see why the conditions aren't as good as they should be, Mujib. But good to hear you, and very happy. I wonder how you find conditions today. This time, I talked a few days ago to VU3WIJ. He was coming in very strongly at strength 9, so I don't know. But you're doing fine. You're picking up to about a strength 5. Victor Uniform 3 with Whiskey India, W6 Charlie Peter. Go ahead with you.
Okay, Whiskey 6, Charlie Peter, Victor Uniform 3, Whiskey India. Good morning to you, Seymour from Kerala, and good evening to you. Nice signal, you are peaking to 5-9 plus 20. 5-9 plus 20, very strong signal here this morning, and nice to meet you again. And John and Shaji is working on the higher side, is on 207, I think. I was just scanning around and I heard your signal, my friend. Very nice signal this morning, 5-9 plus 20, I can say. Beautiful strong signal, and very cool morning here. Whiskey 6, Charlie Peter, Victor Uniform 3, Whiskey India, over.
Okay, very good. We're up to a strength 6 on the meter. Yeah, the band should be very good. The band should be good. And I heard John W2NQ, but he was up about 208 or so. I was listening for 205 and so on, but he was on 208. I didn't hear anybody else down there. There's a couple of stations right on 200, but they're not coming in from your part of the world, and I couldn't make them out. There are about 3 stations all on at the same time at 14,200, and I couldn't make any of them out. But anyway, you're doing fine. You're up to a strength 6 now. You're up to a strength 6, so that's awfully good. And we had a beautiful day. It's on the cool side. We had a low front come in a little bit, and they kept the temperature at about plus 22, 23, 22 degrees C here all day. A beautiful sunshine. Wind was pretty steady at about 30 to 40 kilometers from the northwest. Weather fronts coming in off the ocean from the Gulf of Alaska. Blue skies and sunny all day long here, Mujib. And so I trust you're having a good morning there. And we are seeing the effect of that cyclone that hit India from the Bay of Bengal. That was one heck of a big storm. Victor United 3, Whiskey India, W6 Charlie Papa.
Okay, Whiskey 6, Charlie Papa, Victor Uniform 3, Whiskey India India. Okay, Seymour, thank you very much for the all information, and nice to know that you have a pleasant weather there. And so they enjoy the weather. And here it is a cool morning. And the wind, the cyclone hit on the Odisha and Andhra, and no problem to Kerala side. Anyway, there is not too much of casualties, and yeah, okay, there is some problem with the microphone. Sometimes the switch is not picking HI. Anyway, carry on, Seymour, and maybe some other stations want to call you from VU side. So enjoy the DXing, my friend, and see you again in our evening time. 7-3 to you, and have a nice DXing. Whiskey 6, Charlie Papa, Victor Uniform 3, Whiskey India India. Over.
Your microphone sounds excellent. Your audio is superb. Victor United 3, Whiskey India. W6 Charlie Papa. No, your audio is super audio, Mujib. I don't find anything wrong with your audio. It's absolutely perfect. The quality and the pitch of the audio is very good. Coming through the QR Nancy. Just stand by a second. I just want to see how strong the QR Nancy is. Stand by. Yeah, we have static crashes going up to a stress 2.5. That's the difference. Normally the background is usually a 0. Right now it's quite noisy at a stress 2 to 2.5 static crashes coming in. That'll go back. That'll go down as the night continues here. But the background is about a stress 2, which is about 12 dB stronger than normal. Usually it's a 0. So we're having a little bit of atmospheric cheer. Okay, Mujib, listen, you have a good day. My best regards to you and your family. Have a wonderful day and a good DX. I'm glad that you didn't get any of that bad cyclone on your side. W3 for now. Victor United 3, Whiskey India. W6 Charlie Peter now clear. Bye-bye, Mujib.
Okay, 7-3, my dear friend. See you many more times, and enjoy the DXing. Bye-bye.
Thank you so much for giving me the call and a short QSO. W6 Charlie Peter clear. Pulling QRZ DX Asia, long path. India, Sri Lanka, Asia, long path. W6 Charlie Peter listening.